Hey everybody, I'd like to ask your help with a new book I'm publishing called The Marketing Book. The book grows out of my frustration with all the folks who are reading my other books, my book on SEO, my book on AdWords, and my book on social media marketing, and who've written me or asked me and said they're really frustrated with some basic marketing concepts. For example, the concept of how to write a business value proposition or elevator pitch, and how to use that abstract concept to actually make your marketing better and sell more stuff. So the marketing book aims to address this need. To do that, I'm introducing the concept of think, do, learn marketing. And I'm asking you for help with the book. I'm going to post video playlists to YouTube as I write it. And if you have a moment, watch the videos and in the comments section, ask questions or make comments. In that way, I'll learn from my readership what's going on and how to make it a better book. If you're really up for it, use the link in the description below and sign up for a free review copy. Those will be available when the book is closer to publication date. Now, if you have a moment, let me explain the book a little more. First, what is Think, Do, Learn? Each chapter of the book teaches a marketing task by first explaining how to think about the concept. Second, giving you specific to-dos to actually go do it. And third, providing tips on how to learn to do it better over time. Second, why does the world need a new book on marketing? Yet another book. Here's why. There are basically three types of marketing books out there. There are academic books on marketing, which are basically boring and scientific and really of little help to the practical business marketer. There are what I call inspiration books that get you all fired up about marketing and leave you hanging as to, hey, I'm all fired up. What am I supposed to do? And then there are what I call perspiration books, books that are so down in the weeds that you're installing your Facebook pixel or modifying your .htaccess file, and you're not really sure how does this fit into the bigger picture of better marketing. So my new book, The Marketing Book, is both theory and practice. You need a framework to know what to do and where you're going, and you need an attitude of practicality to actually go do it. This book is for small business owners and marketers. If you own a small business and want to market it better, this book is for you. If you work for a small business as the marketing manager, this book is also for you. And if you're a jack of all trades, the guy or gal that does the sales and the marketing and makes the website and posts to Facebook, this book is for you as well. If you're anyone who wants an introductory practical tutorial on marketing, this book is for you. This book is written for those of us who are down in the trenches on a daily basis trying to market a product or service in today's largely digital, but not entirely digital, environment. Please leave your comments on YouTube in the comments section below, and if you're interested, please sign up for a review copy of the book when it's available. Thanks for pointing me in the right direction.